This is the 10th season, and this is all about, elevating the lives of those who need the most. In a business of facility management, where 2/3 of your workforce are frontline workers, celebrating them, hosting them, helping them to know there is so much in life for them, both in terms of progression, development, about their families, about their overall facilities for them, but more importantly, showing the way forward for their elevation in life. We have 2.5 hours of dancing, zone where they could dance, they can enjoy the music. We also have various activities planned for them. So where I'm standing at the moment is a Shifa. It is one of the EFS initiative for frontline workers about their wellness. And this wellness is not only about the health well-being, but even about the mental well-being. So this is where about fitness, health, various other things. Then we have L&D, learning and development initiatives for them. We've got Weekend Club. Weekend Club was created primarily to demonstrate to them that amongst them, some of them have done extraordinarily well. And our objective of progression and development to bring in more people in that. So the Weekend initiative is to demonstrate people, those who have accomplished 4 or 5 levels of progression over the 5 years, and that is how it is. They are also cooking today because we had a MasterChef competition. And as a part of the MasterChef, those who are the finalists, they've been allowed to cook their own food and sell it as an entrepreneur. Because as a part of our worker welfare, we have a concept called Abhar, where we help them to run businesses if they go back to the country. So we are helping them to be entrepreneurs. Facility management is about system, structure and people. All 3 components are very important. You need extraordinarily great adherence to very high standards of compliance, safety, security. You also have to have a right corporate governance in the organization. Then you need to build a people segment across the leadership, developing the leaders, having strong engagement across all levels of people, and ultimately the right kind of service delivery track record. You need to master the art of excellence. All these 3 components have worked well with EFS. We did concentrate on these key elements, and between technology, between structure and all, ultimately all has evolved to build a sustainable service organization.